Kahit ilang beses ka pang lumagapak sa buhay, piliin mo pa ring bumangon at ilaban ang iyong pangarap. Dahil walang ibang tatrabaho ng pangarap mo kung hindi ikaw. Kung gusto mong umangat sa buhay, huwag na huwag kang magpapahatak pababa sa mga taong walang pangarap. Piliin ang mabuti kung sino ang iyong papakinggan.
Sometimes, God will destroy our plans when He sees that our plans are going to destroy us. Have you ever planned your life and then realizing lahat ng plano mo hindi natuloy? You know why? Because God sees, probably knows, or He doesn't probably, but He knows that what you're planning for yourself is going to eventually destroy you. My plan for you is to give you hope and a future and never to harm you. God always has better plans in our lives. And you know what? If He was able